Welcome to Techie Dialogue, where today we will learn how to insert a hyperlink in Google Docs to make your documents more interactive and professional. In this video, I will show you a simple way to add links to any text or URL in your document. Step 1. You can create a plain hyperlink by copying a URL and pasting it directly into your Google Doc. Notice that it may not appear blue or underlined at first. Press the spacebar to register it as a clickable hyperlink. Step 2. To create a custom link, place your cursor where you want the link to appear, then click the Insert Link button at the top of the page. This is useful because it allows you to display any text instead of showing the full URL. Step 3. In the top text box, type the text you want to appear in your document, then paste the URL into the second box and click Apply. Now your text is linked and users can click it to visit the website. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tutorials.